Hello and welcome to another edition of Foss Electric Bike Reviews. Today we're in Lincolnshire, which is the home of Batribike, and we're going to be reviewing the Batribike Omega. As you can see, it's a low step bike. In total, and with the battery on, the bike weighs 21 kilograms, so fairly portable. And it also comes in three colours. That's earth brown, shadow white, and what we've got here, which is hunter green. Okay, taking a closer look at the rear of the bike, we've got our 26-inch rims, and they're Schwalbe puncture resistant tyres, very high end. We also have an integrated rear light, as well as some Tektro V brakes, and just in the centre of the wheel is our 7-speed Shimano hub gears. Hub gears are really useful to have as they're low maintenance and you can change gears while you're standing still. So if you need to get away at any speed, you can just slot it down to the first gear and pull away with ease. So moving on to the battery, it's very standard for an electric bike and really easy to use. It's just a case of unlocking with a key and slotting it out, and then you can just slot it back in and lock it back on the bike when you're ready. These batteries can be charged on or off the bike. Depending on what you need, Batribike give you plenty of options on the battery. It can take you anywhere between 19 miles per charge all the way up to 79 miles per charge. The batteries come with a 3-year warranty, which can be extended to 5 years, which is very important as they're the most expensive components on electric bikes. So moving on to the handlebars, you can see we've got our left brake lever, and then this leads us on to our LED controller. LED controllers are really easy to use. So just here you've got a series of lights telling you how much battery life you have in your battery. As you cycle along, those lights will deplete, start to flash, and you know you need to start recharging. The other set of lights is telling you how much power is being injected into the bike from the motor. Level 1, which will give you about 20 to 25% extra energy input, to level 5, which is putting 50% energy input. It will take you up to 15.5 miles an hour and then cut out, and then when you drop below that, it will then kick back in. This LED controller can be upgraded to a mini LCD controller, or a controller that has a center fit screen. So what this means is it brings you all your information digitally, such as how fast you're going, how far you've gone, what level of assist you're in, and how much battery charge you've got. At the front of the bike, we've got our 250 watt motor in the hub, and that's guaranteed for 3 years, as well as an integrated light. And I need to mention that the pannier rack and the mud guards and the chain guard all come as standard on this bike. The Omega is really leisurely to ride, and it's really practical as well. You've got a pannier rack as well as Shimano hub gears. You've got really good tyres front and rear, enable you to go around those corners with ease. As with all Batribike bikes, they're built in Europe, and it just gives you that extra reassurance that it won't let you down. With decent sized tyres and plenty of battery in the power in the motor, it will get you from A to B as slow or as fast as you want. So if you're looking for a bike to give you a safe and relaxed cycle experience, then the Omega definitely needs to be on your list. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, don't forget to click the like button. If you want to see other bike reviews similar to this one, then don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.